So you have a combination problem, onychogryposis and onychomycosis. So basically what you have is you have a nasty, thickened toenail that is caused by a long-term fungal infection. Alcohol? So what we're going to do is we're actually going to remove this nail and we're going to put you on some medicine to get rid of the fungus.
All right.
Does that sound at all familiar to you?
Oh, yes, it does.
Yes, it does. For some strange reason, we're not sure why.
I'm feeling some deja vu right now.
Some deja vu, okay, because we've kind of talked about this already for the other nail. So here we go. Okay, I am ready. I'm just going to have to be this direct. Oh, we've got them right here. I just need a 4x4. We got the Gumby Gene helping out.
Hey guys.
Woo, we're glad it's Friday, aren't we?
Yes.
All right, what's he going to feel?
Stick, sting, and a burn.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Little stick, sting, and a burn. Deep breath, little stick, little sting,
Ooh.
a little bit of a burn, right?
Ooh, yeah, I'm feeling this one a bit more.
Are you? Okay, let's catch the other side right
This is
there.
the worst part.
Yeah. A little cold spray, okay.
Stick, sting,
And I'm going to have to use 2 hands to brace here because I'm leaning over the table.
Ooh.
I want to be sure that this
Wee
is
doggy, I'm feeling that one.
visible.
wee doggy.
All right, you got that right there. And now I'm going to come back with the big one. You ready for it?
Yes, sir.
Aggie Drew. I wonder if that's a clue about where you go to school or something like that.
Maybe. I think we have a little catchphrase. It's called gigum?
Something like that.
Yeah,
You should be feeling a little bit of medicine. Just keep talking. You're doing great.
Yeah, and our mascot is it's a little dog. I think her name is Ravioli.
Ravioli. I think
Ravioli.
that's Ravi. Yeah, you're
Taste you on it?
Yes, we did.
Ravioli.
Yes, ravioli.
I believe it's Reveille, but
Yes,
I'm,
it is.
I'm going with the ravioli because you're pretty funny. I like that.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm trying to get over here somehow. I'm not sure how. Oh, let me just move your toe just a wee bit. You're going to feel one more injection. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
This is his first time doing this, by the way.
Yeah.
just the look of sheer panic,
Just
like
joking.
uh-oh.
He's like,
It's like, oh no. If you miss, we're gonna have some problems here.
Yeah. Okay, let's put a tourniquet on this dude. Lift that toe up for me just a wee bit. All right. Put your foot back down. And we will apply the tourniquet, so to speak. There you go. And we'll give that about 10 to 12 minutes to work.
Okay.
And I'll be back to see you shortly.
Sweet.
Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Meta 7.
I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day.
I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina.
And it could actually help you lose weight.
Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I used it to help wean myself off caffeine and energy drinks, and my productivity has been very high lately.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it, and take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.